Hi. Can you get your toes? Good job. Hi, Mama girl. Can you smile? Can you smile for me? Hey, look over here. Isaac, look at your spit mouth. Look at your spit mouth. What's wrong with you? Boo! I see that spit bubble mouth. Crabby. Oh, that makes you happy when you can bounce? Was I in your way? Oh, you want this? You gotta stop so I can give you it. You gotta stop first. I can't give it to you unless you stop. There you go. Did that make you happy? Hey, Isaac. Isaac. Did that make you happy? Huh? Did it? Yeah? Uh-oh, you lost it again. Oh, well. Hey, pretty girl. You gonna smile? Trying to get my camera. Or my phone, I mean. Say hi. You can't get it. Look at you grabbing your toes. Smile. Hey, smile. You can't have my camera. Smile. Nope, you can't have my camera. Smile. Nope, you can't have my camera. Smile. Nope, you can't have my camera. You silly Willy. Let me see you smile.